Hello lovely dancers, my name is Aisha and welcome back to Belly Dance Tutorials. In today's class, I'm gonna do some hip drops and how you can integrate that with moving around. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so to receive really quality videos on focused belly dance technique, troubleshooting, combinations and things like that. It's short videos, so you don't have to spend a lot of time with them, but I'm hoping that this will improve your technique and your dance presentation in general. So today we're gonna take some of the commonly used moves and try to move them around. So we'll try to make them to create combinations and try, to get more of them, to get the most of them, rather than just in place. And one of the most common movements is the drop kick, or the hip drop, 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 kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, or drop, 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 drop. Yes, I have a tutorial on hip drops and drop kicks. But let's take it to the next level and make it move around. I'm going to show you a couple of variations or a couple of options. One of them is to do a traveling motion. So I'm going to show you. Yep. The other one is to go front and back. So it's going to be drop, kick, around and again. Drop, kick, around and again. All right, I'm gonna go into the detailed explanation. So first of all, this movement, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick. It's actually a drop forward and a kick back, or a drop forward, a drop back with a kick forward, right? So the hip movement is gonna be front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Now you add this traveling around and you're just like shuffling or sliding on the back leg. So the movement happens from the back leg, which you are shuffling or sliding forward from heel to toe. Yeah, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, right? The other leg is just helping you with balance and doing the actual movement. So I'm gonna go front and kick. So I'm sliding in the same time on the back leg. Yeah. Tuck, tuck, tuck. So let me go a little bit back here. And I'm gonna try the other side actually. So I'm gonna go front, back, front, and kick. Front, kick. So I'm gonna drop, 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 and slide, 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 slide. All right, good. Now let's turn back and forth, front. So let's do a 180 turn or half turn, following the drop kick. So we're gonna do drop kick, turn around, and on the other hip, drop kick, turn around. All right, so I'll go into a detail. This is a regular drop kick. When you turn around, it's like a half circle on one hip to get you around, and then you'll have the other foot free to do the drop, kick. Now put the weight on this leg, around, and this leg is free. All right? So when you turn around, it's basically a half circle on one hip. The weight stays on the same leg. Weight is here. I put the weight here. Stays on this leg, stays on this leg. Go around. And then this foot is free. All right? So let me show you facing the back so you can do it in the same direction. So we're gonna go drop, kick, drop, kick. Now the right leg goes around, and this is free. This is the left one, left, left. Put the leg down, go around. Just have to, I mean, the footwork is not that important. You just try to go around with a hip circle, have the other foot, the other leg free to start again. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Around, and other one. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Around. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Around. All right? Of course, you can do any kind of transitions between, switching back and forth. This, I think, is more forgiving and more natural, but you can do whatever transitions you need to do to switch you around. Okay? So let's put this on music and see what happens. So let's try to do the slides. Front, back, front, back, front, back. Try the other side. You can also play with your arms a little bit. Oops. Front, back, front, kick, front, kick, front, kick. All right. Let's try the hip drops with a 180 turn. And drop, kick, around. Drop, kick, around. And my arms, if you look at them, I swing them around. You can do this side to side instead of front and back. That's what I have for today. I hope you will practice and you'll also play around with the hip drops and see what other combinations you can come up with. So yeah, not all the movements have to be in place. You can just move them around simply by stepping around, by changing your direction that you're facing. Just play with that. So out of one movement, you can create 3 or 4, just adding something else in between. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. If you have any comments or suggestions, please write them down in the comments box area and I will try to address them. Until next time, practice and shimmy shimmy.